The process of making a copy of DNA is called DNA replication. In DNA replication, DNA helicases comes and splits the DNA apart, making two different strands that are not connected to DNA. And then we have DNA polymerase that comes back and finds a complementary strand and it binds them together, making a strand of DNA. There are 4 complementary nucleotide bases in DNA, and they are called, well, there's nucleotides, and then they have the nitrogen bases, which are thymine, which pairs with adenine, guanine that pairs with cytosine, and sugar called deoxyribose connects to the nitrogen bases. The DNA needs to be transcribed into RNA. Transcription is in the nucleus. Because DNA is too big to leave. I mean, come on, let's think rationally here. As the RNA polymerase binds to a DNA sequence at the starter location. In RNA, thymine is replaced by uracil. And the sugar is ribose. I mean, that's what the R stands for. And then the RNA polymerase unwinds the strands of the double helix to expose the DNA bases. Quit getting hurt! The next step is translation. This takes place in the cytoplasm. Translation occurs when tRNA is folded into a compact shape, then has an amino acid added to it. mRNA then joins with the tRNA and the RNA, the rRNA, to start the beginning of a protein chain. The rRNA then moves to one codon down the mRNA. And the amino acid chain continues to grow. This process reaches until the stop codon is reached. The newly made polypeptide chain falls off the rRNA. The rRNA is then free to begin translation again. He died again. The process of making a copy of DNA is called DNA replication. In DNA replication, the DNA molecule is unwound by DNA helicase, and this will be showing you that scissors is DNA helicase. Just the scissors are DNA helicase, and just snips them all up. Keep snipping. Snip, 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 and pull apart. Now you have 2 different strands of DNA. And DNA polymerase adds the complementary strand. Let's just pretend that we had a complementary strand. Ooh, it comes back together. Now you have DNA. Now you have a DNA, a string of DNA. The DNA bases that are nitrogen bases are thymine, which pairs with adenine, guanine that pairs with cytosine, and the sugar in DNA is deoxyribose. And then the phosphate we just call phosphate.